Hi guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to image search in Bing AI. Yes, you heard it right. We can just simply search anything that we want using the image that we can produce. Alright, so now without further ado, let's get started. All we need to do, guys, is just to open our Bing AI application. All right, so I have here an application, so we have to open it. And by the way, guys, do not forget to log in your Microsoft account whenever you are going to use Bing AI. All right, so now, as usual, as you can see, when you're going to open the app, you will see here the five icons: the homepage icons, the news icon, chat box icon, tab, and the app. All right. So now the second step is tap this at the upper part of the screen. There is a search engine. You can type anything that you want to Bing, and of course the scanner and the voice icon where you're going to search, all right, using a voice. So now, since we are going to scan the image, we have to use a scanner. All right. So now I have here an example of an image that we are going to scan right now. All right. So let's say, for example, this one. Let's try this one. So tap this scanner and search use your camera. Okay, this one. And over here, as you can see, guys, there is a search icon, this one. So all we have to do is just to tap. Okay, so now let's just try to scan this image. All right, so scan. Okay, scan and search, and let's wait. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, guys, there are a lot of related um content or related products to Nutrilin. All right, so there we go. This is simply on how to search or image search in Bing AI. All right, so if you want to know on how to image search using Bing AI, that's the simplest way I know. And if you know another way on how to image search in Bing AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys!